Yeah, so you see how the number here actually represents your profit or loss, and this is the percentage of profit or loss. This is how much it's selling for at the moment. So you see that I invested $100, and this is how many coins I got. So I got 152 coins, 0.65. So I was previously explaining how if you buy eToro, will charge you a small fee, right? So whenever you get the amount shown here, whenever you first purchase it, it will show as though you're losing money, right? So what will happen with time is that you will regain this money and it will go into the positives. It will become green with time. And I'll show you some examples of how you basically give yourself some self reassurance that you're not going to lose money because you're looking at trends and you're looking at historical data to make those decisions. So what I will do here is that I will go ahead and open here the profile for Doggy Coin, and then I'm gonna go under chart, and you will see the performance of the chart of how the coin has done over time. So you can see that today is May 5th. So this is the one at the moment. So you can see that it's been on a positive trend over time. You see that? So you can actually zoom in, and then you can actually see it live as it changes, because you can see that the prices are constantly fluctuating. So you can see that it's on a positive curve at the moment. So that's actually the reason why I decided to purchase. The reason why it's losing a little bit at the moment is just because, the fees, but it will eventually going up. As you can see, based off the current trajectory that the coin is performing, uh, it will definitely continue going up. So that little loss that I'm taking at the moment for the fees, it will, make up for itself, and I will ultimately make a profit from this with a little bit of time. So you can see that this is May 1st. You can see how much it was worth, about 40 cents here on May. I'm sorry, on May 1st, and then here on May 5th, it went all the way to 64 cents. So it's on a good positive trajectory over time, as you can see. And this is the historical performance of it. So I'm just zooming out on it. So this is the overall performance of the coin at the moment, as you can see. So that's how you make the ultimate decision that this particular coin might be a good idea, because as you can see, the trends show you that it's currently on a positive trajectory, and it's only going to continue improving, as you can see. So let's take a look at another one. The one that I have spent a lot of money on myself is actually Ethereum. You'll notice that I actually don't have any Bitcoin, which, is pretty interesting. The reason why I don't have any Bitcoin at the moment is just that at this particular time, May 5th, 2021, Ethereum is performing a lot better. And how I know that is that I can take a look here at the watch list as an example, and I can see the historical performance. Not necessarily historical performance. You can see as an example here the change in one day. You can see that Ethereum says 2.5, 2.65. This is Bitcoin. You can see it's 1%. So I know that for the day, it's been performing a lot higher, as you can see. If you see the weekly, you see that 20%, the month, 27%. I mean, do you see this? So if you look at the history here, it kind of gives you a bigger idea of how it has been performing. Uh, it's like a quick glance of how things have been performing. Uh, but for me personally, I have enjoyed Ethereum. As you can see, you look at the big picture of the trend. So you can see that Bitcoin has been a little bit volatile. It just means that it's not quite stable. Another thing is that you can see whether if eToro recommends whether you should hold or sell. So you can see at the moment for Ethereum is 50-50 to asking to sell or to hold. You can see this one says hold. So it ultimately depends on what you believe is the best thing. But the main thing is that you can see the historical data here, which allows you to see the bigger picture of which particular e-currency might be the best at this particular moment for May 5th, 2021. So it just depends, it will change with time.